What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be taking the parts off the 22 WRX behind me, the GT model. Customer's gonna send in her flares, her rear bumper and trunk trim for a color match. And in the meantime, since we're gonna take the parts off, we're gonna install, I'm gonna show you the differences right now real quick, okay? So this is the OEM flare, okay? That we painted for the customer, going straight to Japan, brand new, color match perfect. And here's ours, okay? So the differences, I don't know if you can tell already. One big key factor is right here, this bulge right here. See how thin this is? So we extended this part about 5 millimeters wider. So Jerry, if you wanna hold this, okay? So this lip right here is not aggressive as our lip here. Our lip is 5 millimeters more. And on the bottom right here, this part right here, as you can see this groove is actually pulled out another 5 millimeter. So for differences, I know there's not painting right now, maybe it's hard to see.
It's really hard to see.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but put side by side, you can tell it's a lot thicker, right? From this angle. So it's a lot thicker. You can't tell by naked eye, but definitely when you do put on your wheels, let's say you go on 9.5 standard setup, it'll be a lot more flush without having the wheels poking out. So, and everything else is pretty much the same. Look in the back, direct bolt on, guys. Just swap over your clips, boom, 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 boom. Sorry, that's our WRX. Pretty loud, you know. Anyways, why do I have this, Jerry? Anyway, so we're gonna be, I'm gonna put on one side since we're taking the car off anyways to show you guys the difference between our Fender flares that's coming out for you guys versus the stock ones. So before I do, let's go ahead and, so just like that, the front flare comes off. For our flares, all you gotta do is swap over these OEM clips over directly to those, because it's, like I said, it's direct fitment, you know? This is what we've been doing for the past freaking year, you know? Look at this. Let me show you, for example, grab a clip right here. Don't mind this color right now. It's just like a rendering piece mock-up, but as you can see, look at this. Ooh, just like that, guys. Oh yeah, direct fit. And I'll show you guys how insane this is. I'm just gonna pop off her clips for now. See that clip? You know, this mold is, man, it makes sense why it costs as much as a Ferrari, you know? And where's my Ferrari, man? I want a Ferrari. Ooh, look at that. Look at that sound, guys, it makes. Ooh. So now you can have flares anytime you want. You don't have to, you know, take your stock ones off or wait to get painted. You're pre-painted, ready to go. So if you want to, like, you know, slap on your stock, you can slap on anytime you want. So for example, look at this. I'll show you guys how perfect. Just line it up, right? Just like that, guys. Let me show you how much wider this is already. As you can tell from the stock flare, okay, it's pushed out 5 millimeters here, 5 millimeters here, so total 10 millimeter. Look at that, guys. Perfect freaking fitment. Jesus Christ, this is pretty awesome, dude. So you guys can tell, it's a lot wider already from the stock. Just for reference, I'm only gonna do the front fender for you guys today. We'll not do anything else, but I just wanna show you guys the difference, you know. For those that have been waiting, being really patient, you're not gonna be disappointed. And the price for these is gonna be like around 900-ish to 1,000. Under 1,000 for sure, but around 900 something. Painted, color match, by the way. And then you know, obviously lifetime warranty, you know, from Aero. You already know, we made all the good stuff. But yeah, as you can see, it's very exciting. I can't wait to put one on our WRX. That means we gotta get our stuff wrapped. Or maybe, you know what, how about this, guys? Comment below if we should take off the wrap. Because I do miss the red. You miss the red, Jerry?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, let's do it. So maybe, I don't know, let me know, comment below, let us know if we should take the wrap off and go back to red, because that means I can get the fenders slapping on without wrapping it. But anyways, as you can see, it's direct bolt on. Took me less than, what, 5 seconds to put it back on. So these will be ready soon, guys, okay? Stay tuned for that, and then we're done with the fender for today. Adrian's gonna stop in a bit. We're gonna see him in a bit. We're gonna start our new V2 lip with the red pin strip. So, and put the rods on his car as well, so. Yeah, let's get started on this car right now. Me and Jerry are gonna start on this right now. Enjoy some B-rolls coming up, because I can't wait to see. Oh, by the way, guys, our single exit catback is coming next week too. So if you're interested, I'm gonna drop a picture below for you guys right now, actually. They're like less than 10 pounds. I don't know if it's 100% less than 10 pounds, but it's around there, 7, 8, 9, 10 pounds, anyway, around there. Fully burnt blue color, and like I said, it'll be available in gold too, limited. I think they're doing 20 or 30 runs, so we'll come back to that another time. And then yeah, let's get started. Take this off. Okay, so we just tear down the 22 WRX GT model. So GT models, you have these sensors. So unlike the regular premium or base model, you don't get these sensors. So when you do take the bumper off, just be careful and unplug all the sensors at the top. We have to take off each sensor individually to get it prepped and painted properly. And then the customer also got the trunk trim, so which is pretty nice. Not a lot of people offer this, but personally I like it on our car, on a red WRX. A couple months back before we wrapped it, it was all color match red too, which in my opinion looks pretty nice. But she's gonna get the color match, get the flares done, get the rear bumper done. And then yeah, that's it for this car. We'll come back to this in like 2 weeks or so once everything's done. And then Adrian's gonna be here any minute now. We're gonna install the new lip and the rods. All right guys, we just finished the white WRX and we're on to Adrian's WRX. Adrian's getting our new S-Style V2 with the red trim. So we don't know if we're gonna offer this yet. We might. So I'll come paint this red trim around your V2 lip. So undetermined yet if it's gonna get released or not. But this is our first test piece. I'm gonna throw on Adrian's car because it looks sexy. And he's gonna put on the V7 splitter under that. So, you know, a lot of people do break these lips, but when you have a splitter on, you're literally gonna save the life's lip, man. Our splitters are pretty much like undefeated. They can break a lot of stuff. Go through a lot of stuff, not break a lot of stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the front lip first. That's a nice ass intercooler you got there, Adrian. It's gonna look real good on our WRX. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on ready for you guys. Enjoy the B-rolls, and then we're gonna stop it on back on Adrian's car, and then I'm gonna go grab Adrian and see how he likes the new lip. All right, guys. So here it is, Adrian's new setup. Got the V2 S-Style lip with the red trim, with the V7 splitters, and the rods. So he's gonna fly to the moon with this setup. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back, and then see how it looks off the ramps. All right, guys. So we're officially done with the install. So here it is. These are new V2 S-Style lip with the red trim, paired with the V7. Pair with the V7 splitter and the splitter rods. So Adrian is gonna go nowhere with this on super tight. This is a very nice. This is a super nice setup if you want to do. Like I said, you can mix and match so many styles with their splitters and aero kits. He also has the V7 side skirts and the V3 carbon rear diffuser and a bunch of other stuff on the car. But yeah, so if you're interested, check the link below. All right, guys, Adrian just took off. And the rain kind of cleared up and I changed my outfit. No, but after Adrian left, another customer stopped by. He's from San Diego with his brand new 22 VB. I think this is a limited model. Has pretty much everything, like from the door sill lights to the headlights. Got the whole shebang. Very nice. He's also an awesome subscriber too, from on our YouTube channel. So we really appreciate that. Thanks for coming out. We got him set up the V2 front lip, S-Style V2, the V1 side skirts. He also has the V7 rear spats and our new and also our brand new color match V3 Kogeki Duckbill, which looks absolutely phenomenal. I think it looks super dope. The color match really gives it that JDM look that it's missing the rear, in my opinion. I think with the color match rear bumper, it'll throw it off just perfect. But he'll be back for more stuff. Him and his son is building this WRX right now, and his son might pick one up too. So very excited for that. Super excited. Yeah, so he might be at Subi Fest as well. So which is coming up in, I believe, June, or I'm not sure, May. Well, Jerry will put the link here. So we're gonna have a sick ass booth coming up soon. A lot of cars, a lot of friends gonna be there. So if you're in SoCal or if you're not SoCal, come by, check out Subi Fest. It's gonna be lit. And then, yeah, so enjoy these B-rolls coming up, guys. That's pretty much it. We have all these Duckbills in stock, most of the colors. Yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in to this little vlog video today. And then Jerry did end up buying me lunch for me hitting on that E85 video, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And he did break the side skirts. But we got it fixed, that's okay. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.